Hey everyone, welcome to day 22 of our 100 days of Python challenge. Today we are diving into exciting Python classes and objects. Let's get started, explore the magic of OOP in Python. First one, creating a class and object. So what is a class? Think of it as a blueprint for creating objects. Let's take a look at a simple example. We have created a class named myClass with a property x. It's like a template for creating objects with a specific property. Create an object p1 and access x. It's like a building a real life object with specific properties. The init function. The init function is like the constructor of a class. It sets the initial property of an object. Here name and age are set when we create a person object. It's like setting up the initial state of an object. Third one, object methods. Objects can have methods which are functions that belongs to the object. These methods can perform actions on the object. This method prints a greeting using the name property. It's like a special action that the object can perform. That's a quick look at Python classes and objects. I will see you in the next video. See you tomorrow.